Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are continuing with the Traditional Wreath 3D embossing folder today and jazzing it up just a little bit, super simple, with one of the metallic textures rub-ons. This one I've done in gold and it's on a pecan pie base. And I've gold embossed the Merry Christmas. And the Merry Christmas is from the Bauble Blooms stamps. And I took my gold, superfine gold gel pen and just dipped it into the little indentations in the berries. So I'll be doing that on this one. I'm doing a silver card today and I'm going to use my silver gel pen. I tried it doing the smoky slate blender with the tip end and it was too bulky, like it was just like a smoosh. So I'm going with the silver gel pen. I get mine at Staples. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take our rub-on, and this is the metallic textures rub-ons. So I'm just going to peel the backing off, and I'm just going to put this across just like this. And we're just going to press it down. I just use my bone folder because it's easier on my hands than pressing with my fingers. So we're just going to peel that off like that. And I'm just going to go and just pat it down, just make sure it's really well down. And then I'm going to put it in my folder. So I'm just going to put that in there like that, kind of centered a little bit. Pop that down. As always, spine end goes in first so we don't break or distort our folder. And so this one, I've got a smoky slate card base. And I didn't really have any bling that I liked for this. So when I do my paper pumpkin kits, I keep my bling, whatever's left over. And I've got these really cool rhinestones that I'm going to use. So that is how that turned out. And I love, love, love the effect of that. It's just super, super simple. But what we're going to do is we're going to put adhesive all the way around the edge because this is a 3D folder. And if you don't adhere the edges down, it can waffle a little bit and the edges will start to ripple or ruffle, whatever you'd like to call it. I call it waffling. It's, we're lettuce edging. Okay, so we're just going to push that down like that. The Merry Christmas, again, from that Bauble Blooms set, silver embossing, or heat embossing. And we're just going to pop that down right in the middle with that Merry over top of the silver kind of swoosh that's there. And then we're going to add our bling. Let me just get my tool out. We don't need a lot of bling. I'm just going to pop one here like this, one here like this, and then one up and over like, or maybe I'll just do this one. I'll do it there. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to take our silver pen and we're just going to dot into the indent in the berries. Wherever there's berries, we're just dotting into that indent, and it just helps bring a little bit more detail to the card, just a little bit of interest. And it's like putting Christmas decorations away. You think you're done, and then there's always one more. There we go. So I'm just going to hold this up so I can see. Yep, see, there's one more right there. And there is actually another one there, and there, and one down in the bottom corner here. Okay, so all that does is it just kind of highlights those berries a little bit. So those are our two cards. And so we've got the one with the gold metallic rub-on and the one with the silver metallic rub-on. Again, super simple, but really, really effective cards. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.